Bench testing a 1957, 58, 59 Pontiac 6-terminal Delco Remedy headlight switch, serial number HSP02242026, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash light set low to high. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. And test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. During the run-up test, we're going to be using a fully charged battery under boost. Right now we're reporting about 13.1 volts. And under boost, we're reporting about 14 volts. Also during the run-up test, we're going to monitor the rheostat temperature in Fahrenheit with a digital multimeter. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, have our tail and parking lights. Rotate the rheostat. We'll set the dash lights to low, from low to bright. And off. Again, test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, our tail, parking lights, and dash lights. And we'll set those to medium brightness. And off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, have our tail and parking. Second position, front parking lights come off and our headlights are on. Back to first position, headlights are off, parking lights come on and off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position, rotate the rheostat. We'll turn the dash lights off, the off position. And then we'll just come up on the coil to the dim setting. And we're at 80 degrees ambient currently. Let's go to mid-range, mid-brightness, full bright, and bright to the lock. Let's go back to mid-range. Picking up a little bit of temperature. Rheostat. Let's go to the dim setting. About 88 degrees Fahrenheit. 89. Let's go to second position, headlight position. Mid-range. Bright, full bright, now at 92 degrees Fahrenheit, back to mid-range, in first position, dim, and off, dim position, and off. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. Delco Remedy headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker. It's a bimetallic contact arm that connected the battery to the switch body. To demonstrate what would happen in a situation of overheating in the circuit, the headlights, or in the switch body itself, I'm going to put the switch in first position and demonstrate that if we had an overheating situation where the arm would be heated, it would expand and break the connection between the battery and the switch. This protects the vehicle wiring and the switch body. Second position, headlight position. That feature is also available. Simulate expansion of the contact arm. We see that the battery connection to the switch is broken, protecting the circuit and the headlight switch. Back to first position and off. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12 volt test light, I'm going to probe each terminal of the switch, demonstrate that they're insulated from ground. I'm going to show we have continuity here at the switch chassis. I'm going to probe dash light terminal, dash light feed terminal. There's our battery terminal, headlight, taillight, and parking light. This demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground, and the only connection back to the battery we have is at the switch chassis.